Alright, today we need to get this mounted on here. Alright, so we've got our 55-gallon drum here that's all cleaned out and ready to rock. We got some scrap parts and tie downs and straps and PVC valves and bolts and things. So we're going to see what we can do to make kind of a little platform here to set this barrel on so that we can still fill it and also drain it and just leave it attached to the tractor for the next few weeks. This will allow me to get out and collect all that sap from around the property, hopefully get through some mud, keep the weight on the back here for these tires to dig in, and hopefully we can get out here and get some sap. So let's see what we can put together here. Alright, so I've run into some design issues here. I think I'm going to change my plan. I think I'm going to narrow the the lift bars here in and just try to strap the barrel right on top of these and get rid of this platform altogether. And that way I'll be able to lift this up and help drain it out. The way the valve's coming out, it's hitting these things and stuff, so I think we'll change this around and try it out a different way here and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I can just set the barrel right on here, strap to the tractor, and fill it up that way, and then take it off, and then use the loader to lift it up to drain it out. But try to save myself some extra work here. Well, this will be my office for at least a little while today. I've got quite a few out here using the kayak. It's actually worked pretty good. A lot of people have said you should get some waders. Well, yeah, that probably is a good idea. I could just walk right out here. It'd be a lot easier. One thing I do not want to do is drive the tractor through here, but man, is it tempting to just take it in a little bit and see if it would work. It might, but I guess I could always get my truck down here and pull it out. But the last thing I want is to get my tractor buried out here and not be able to get it out. So I'll probably stick to the kayak for now. What I have to do is collect. Some of these buckets have been out here for a few days, or 2 days. Some of them out here for just one. But you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but like that one out there, you can see through it. It's about a little over a quarter of the way full. Some of these just have a little in the bottom, and these ones I can't see how much is in them. I can't see through them. So we'll get out in the kayak and start dumping and carrying the stuff in and getting it out of here. All right, I've got 10 buckets to put out, so my plan is to try to be efficient here. I'm going to take 2 buckets out with me. I'll tap 2 trees. I'll collect sap in this bucket and bring that back in, get more buckets, go back out. And I'll keep doing that back and forth. I've got some smaller trees to tap, like this one, and a bunch out there. Well, there's a bunch of trees out here I tap. Well, sap's running today too, even though it's cloudy, but it is in the 40s, so we're getting some progress made today. I've just got so many more trees to tap in here. Just so many more. Almost every single one of those is maple. Not going to get them all this year, but we'll get as many as we can. Vanilla icing. That sounds good too, doesn't it? All these buckets I got donated to me from local bakeries. I just went in and asked them, hey, can you give me a call when you have a few buckets? I'll stop by and pick them up. And I got quite a few. Probably got 30 buckets from a couple different bakeries. So worked out pretty good. Got a lot of sap in this one. Well, we got about 15 gallons of sap in the barrel, and I got to go collect the rest from around the property, so I'm sure that'll get filled up real quick. Got 10 more taps out, and so we're getting there. I think I have 7 more buckets right now, so I've got plenty of good-sized trees out there still, so we'll get out tomorrow and get more. Well, the process is working pretty good, but definitely a few tweaks that I'll need to make. One of them is I'm going to go to Home Depot and get a 2-inch by 4-inch bell reducer or whatever, so it makes kind of a funnel for this. Makes pouring it in there a lot easier so it doesn't spill so much. And I need to get a piece of 1/2-inch PEX, and then I can just, I don't know, maybe tap it through the wall or something here and just have it run right into the back side of the evaporator. And maybe I'll put a pole up or something, or maybe, I don't know, stretch it over there so that I can basically just hook it up when I pull up the tractor, hook the PEX up, and turn the valve on and let it drain right into the evaporator that way. I won't be able to drain all this out because it's actually leaning this way, so what I'm going to do is build up a pad out of some wood that's about 6 inches, 8 inches tall. Then I'll just drive the tractor right up on it so that it'll be slanted like this, and then that'll help me get all of the sap out of that barrel. But it's working pretty good. I can lift it up pretty high with the rear lift there, the 3-point lift, and I should be able to, if I need to, if I have overflow, I should be able to lift it up high enough, I think, to get it to drain into that. If not, I'll have to figure something out, but I think this will work pretty good for now. So that is the entire process to collect all of our sap for our maple syrup operation this year. Man, is it a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. I'm excited. I want to see how much we can get. I've already got about 75, 80, 85. I've got 85 or 90 gallons so far, and it just keeps rolling in. I've got more and more taps going out each day, and so man, we're going to get some warm weather next week. We should be rolling in the sap. So a lot of work over the next few weeks. I'll be busy for sure, but looking forward to it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the week of maple syrup processing. Regular scheduled videos will resume next week, so look forward to that. Lots of new stuff coming out, and of course I'll take you guys along for the finishing process of maple syrup as well, probably next week as well. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.